Let's begin today's project, that is NFC security based system. So we need Arduino, RFID module, a LCD module with L2C and RTC, and boost converter to 5 volts, 3.7 battery, and SD card module optional, and charging module, and a breadboard with a servo motor. Now let's begin with NFC module. For the NFC module, we have to take some of the male-to-male jumper wires. So let's connect this. Now all the modules are connected successfully for their respective points. This is Let's start with NFC reader module with the Arduino. Let's connect according to the pins shown in the figure. Now let's begin putting the charging port, and this is the boost converter, and this can be boosted up to 5 volts. Yeah, and then we have the power connectors. Now let's create a power rails. So this is for the 5 volt power output, and this will be connected to this power rail, and the ground pin here will be connected to this power rail. So now any object loaded can be added to these power lines. This is for the 5 volts and this is for the ground. So we are connecting the RTC module right now, and please see through it. The VCC should be always given to the power lane. So the red color goes to the yellow line and the ground pin goes to the second line. And then this will be showcased on the figure. In the same way, we are going to connect the LCD module, the same thing, the VCC and the GND is connected over here. So this is the ground pin going to second line, and this is the power plug going here. And then the both SDA and SCL of both RTC and LCD module goes to the same analog pin, that is A4 and A5. So again we have to build a power grid for the same. So let's build it. So taking two jumper wires, this is A4 and this is A5, going to any one of the power grids here. This will be A5 going here and A4 going next to it. So the anything from SDA here will go to A4, and this will be going to A5. The same thing here. As you see, the SDA part is in red color, sorry, the gray color will go to A4. A4, that will be confusing, but you have to figure it out. But be careful while connecting. This may damage your modules too. Once you get connected all these things, lay it down. And this is the motherboard. Make sure it is pointed like this, and this is RTC, can be left out. And now coming to the last part, that is servo. So let's bring servo here, and then please remember the brown line is for the ground, red line for the power, and yellow line for the signal. So keep it in mind. And then this is the yellow line going for D6 digital pin. Yes. And the power, we have already created the power grid over here. That is going here. And the ground pin going here back. It may look too complex, but don't worry. If you follow the steps and the figure shown in the PPT or like the video, you can easily do the same. And let's keep it this side away and let's see all the working part now. Uh, so are you ready, guys? Let's plug it in. 3, 2, 1. Yes, everything is ready. 100% sure. And let's put the code right now. So we have already checked with the Arduino and everything works fine. So let's power this. So it is working, and then let's try with the other card which is not authorized. Let's see what happens. Wow, nice. Let's try again. Wow. Let's come back to that original card, this one. Let's see what happens. Wow, check out. Nice. Check in. Again, check out. And the project is ready. The simple and nice to present for your projects in your colleges. Thank you.